Remember from the other video, the piece of tape was up here and it was peeled up, so you know that this is a different TV, so I'm not trolling. See, look, there's tape that's like perfect on that one. But pinch that out and hey, look, same exact one. We're gonna focus for you. Maybe I'm too close. Look at that. Man, come on. There we go, that's better. Look at that. Looks like a bird took a turd right on the top. Anyway, just wanted to do that because I thought some people would be trolling, but I got a little surprise for them at the end anyway.